Hello everybody and welcome back to me jumping on a bandwagon. My name is Jennifer and I appreciate you being here. Today we are going to make that whipped Tik Tok coffee that everybody and their brother has made. I really wanted to get some like dark roast coffee because that's what I normally drink. It's what my preference is. But I went to Walmart, they were all sold out of the dark roast. So I got medium roast coffee and we need 2 tablespoons of that. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of water. Use my regular sized whisk here, which I have tiny whisk envy, but don't worry, it's on the way. I've just seen too many people with their tiny whisks living their best tiny whisk life for me not to want a tiny whisk.
Behold, the only whisk that ever mattered.
Julian!
Tiny whisk to combine and tiny whisk to combine. You can try valiantly to tiny whisk until homogeneous, but you're better off using your fingies.
And while that's heating up, grab your biggest whisk.
My biggest whisk, but you know my credo.
I'm sorry?
I'm a tiny whisk guy.
Oh, you like tiny whisks?
It's not necessary to do that, I guess. I just wanted to make sure it's all incorporated before I started mixing with the hand mixer. So now we're gonna speed that up because that's gonna be super fun to watch in real time, right? So this is what we got after about 5 minutes. Maybe 7. Less than 10. I did want to make this hot and cold, so I'm just warming up the milk on the stove top here. You could do it in the microwave, but I didn't want it to bubble over. So keep whisking, make sure that it doesn't, burn. Until it's nice and hot and it's already steamy, so I think we're just about there. Alright, here's my hot milk here. Every video that I've seen, you just kind of plop it into your milk there. I am not a fan of instant coffee, so I don't know that I'll like this. I'm hopeful. I mean, I will drink instant coffee. I'm just not the biggest fan of it. So, that looks a little bit messy, but hey, here we go. There we go. Got a spoon and our straw. The straw might be a little bit big for that cup. All right, so it's very frothy. Let's taste it. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. It's instant coffee. I'm pretty sure if I found the dark roast, it probably would have been a lot better. But it's very milky, very creamy, obviously. Now let's try the hot one, see if we like that one better. But it leaves the foam like it's a latte, so that's nice. It's very hot. It's way better hot. It's very much better hot. Here it is, my contribution to Tik Tok whipped coffee craze. Please don't judge me too harshly, but running out of things to do. So I hope you guys liked it. Hope you're staying safe, staying inside, washing your hands, being good, conscientious people, and I hope you guys come back and watch more. See you next time. Bye.
This is Julian. Sleep.